Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review Hostinger web hosting service. We will going to have a look on the pros and cons of this budget-friendly hosting service. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hostinger is a Lithuania-based web hosting provider. The company offers a broad range of products from shared to virtual private server hosting. There are several advantages to choosing them as your hosting provider. Here is what we like about Hostinger. Hostinger servers have shown good performance over the years. With them, you can expect fast servers and solid reliability. This performance is impressive, considering that their prices start from as little as $1.39 per month. And that's not all. As an added benefit, domain names comes very cheap here. Some of them starts from 99 cents per year. Despite offering a start in ultra-low-cost hosting, there is much to look forward to at Hostinger. They have a comprehensive range of plans, even stretching into the virtual private server space. You also get 8 data centers to choose from, making more specific regional visitor targeting possible. Hostinger offers a self-developed and user-friendly control panel on shared hosting packages. Payment is also convenient since they accept a wide range of methods. You can pay your Hostinger bills with all major credit cards, PayPal or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But not everything is perfect at Hostinger. There are several tiny annoyances to note if you decide to go with Hostinger. For example, if you are moving from another web host, there is not free migration support available. Like most cheap hosting deals, prices also increase when you renew your hosting plan. The most affordable plan goes up from $1.39 to $2.99 per month on renewal. Now the question is Hostinger right for you? Well, despite some downsides, Hostinger can be an excellent choice for some. It is especially suitable for those who are new to web hosting or on a tight budget. So if you are a beginner to web hosting, then you should definitely give it a try. If you want to get some discounts on these hosting plans, then make sure to use the discounted coupon codes that are given in the description of this video. By using those coupon codes, you can get up till 60% discount on your hosting plan. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them. And which topic you want our next video, please tell me in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.